My name is Christine Marquette, and I'm a registered and licensed dietitian with Marquette Nutrition and Fitness, and I'm going to talk to you about how to use NutriSystems. There's really three main steps that NutriSystems advertises as far as how to use their particular product. If you go to their website, the first step is actually picking out which product line you want to use. They have a women's line and they have a men's line. For each, you could choose from the basic, you could choose from their silver, their vegetarian, or their diabetic options. Once you've picked what particular option that you want to go for, then you basically order that product line and start using those particular foods. You will be given a variety of foods for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Snack items are also going to be available. And it is based on particular calorie levels. You will be getting foods for the calorie level that it has been determined you would benefit from most in losing weight. So this is going to vary person to person based on your current weight, your current age, and your height and your gender. So the exact calorie level, again, will vary person to person, but NutriSystems will calculate that for you and then send you the product that you need to eat for that calorie level. And again, depending on what line you picked, your options will vary. What choices you have for breakfast, lunch, and dinner will be specific to that particular product line. So it's really three basic steps. Again, pick your product line, order your product, and start eating your breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks as directed based on the calorie level for your age, your height, your weight, and your desired weight loss.